In this video, we will see what a population and a sample are. In common language, the word population refers to all the people or inhabitants of a country or region. However, in statistics, population has a very different meaning. In statistics, the word population refers to all the members or elements of a defined group that we are studying. For example, if we are studying preschool children in Pune, the word population will refer to all preschool children in Pune. If we are studying chocolates produced by a factory, then population would refer to all the chocolates produced by that factory. If we are studying a certain species of plants in a region, then population would refer to all the plants of that species in that region. In an ideal situation, we should study each and every member of the population to understand the population or to make a decision about the population. For example, if a school, let's say XYZ school, wants to see if their 12th standard students are performing well in math, they should take the math score of every 12th standard student of the school and calculate the average or whatever measure is appropriate and then check how good the scores are. In this case, the school is studying the entire population, which is 12th standard students in the school XYZ. However, there might be some situations when it is not possible or practical to study each and every member of the population. For example, if we want to study how the 12th standard students of a country are performing in math, it may not be practical to collect the math score of each and every 12th standard student of the country. So we will take a sample. A sample is a subset of the population or the part of the population that actually participates in the study or the research. Since we cannot study the whole population, we select a few members of the population to study, and this is called a sample. In the example, since we cannot study all 12th standard students of the country, we select a few 12th standard students of the country, which is the sample. Ideally, the sample should be representative of the population. That is, it should be as much like the population as possible. For example, if the 12th standard students of the country are mostly female, but the sample selected is mostly male, it is not a representative sample. The sample of students should also be mostly female for it to be representative. Based on the research question, there are many ways to determine the representativeness of a sample and to select a sample that is representative. If the sample is representative, then the results are generalizable. Generalizable results are those which are applicable to the population. In the example, if we select a representative sample of 12th standard students and find that they have been performing well in math, we can say with a certain percentage of confidence that all the 12th standard students in the country, that is the population, are performing well in math. If it is not representative, then our results will only be applicable to the sample and not to the population. To recap, a population refers to all the members or elements of a defined group that we are studying. A sample is a subset of the population or a part of the population that actually participates in the study or the research. If the sample is representative, then the results can be generalized to the population.